Hi, if you're watching this video, then there is a message for you. This is going to be a very powerful reading. आपके लाइफ में जो भी currently situation चल रहा है, related to that, I will be giving you guidance from the Moonology cards, and this guidance will be, it is the sign that you're looking for, something that you needed to hear, and something that your spirits want you to know. तो जो भी situation आपके लाइफ में currently चल रहा है, whether it's a person or it's a thing or a current situation, you've been asked to work through your fears. Okay, work through your fears. तो आपके अंदर जो भी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आ रहे हैं, वट एवर यू आर फेसिंग करेंटली, अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू वट यू आर फियरिंग, और किसी किसी चीज़ को लेके यू हैव सर्टेन फियर्स इनसाइड योर माइंड, वेदर इट्स अ पर्सन, अ रिलेशनशिप. So if it's a relationship, maybe you think that they might leave you and go, and the relationship with them will not work out. ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है कि आप सोच रहे हो कि चीज़ें will not work out and stuff, but it is not necessary that it will be like that, because it is just an illusion that you're having. ठीक है, तो आपको spirit के side से कहा जा रहा है कि work through your fears. You are being taken care of and show the world the real you. You've been asked to step out. A lot of you, your commitment is being tested. Okay, so now out of all of these cards, I can see a lot of you probably have been in a relationship or in a situation which has kind of like made you more restricted towards your own self. आपका जो एनर्जी है, आपने उसको अपने अंदर को बुलाया है, like you're more contained towards inside, and you're not really showing who you are, or you're not presenting the way you would like to present yourself to the world, maybe because you are scared of certain things. A lot of you might have fear of nazar, like evil eye. Maybe you are scared of evil eye, that if you put yourself out there, or if you are you know आपको नज़र बहुत जल्दी लगती होगी. तो आपको कहा जा रहा है कि ऐसा नहीं है, आप प्रोटेक्टेड हो, डिवाइन इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ यू. यू प्लीज़ डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. यू जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ एंड शो द वर्ल्ड द रियल यू. एंड दिस इज़ अ टाइम, यूनिवर्स के साइड से बोला जा रहा है कि आपको अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करना है, कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी एन एक्सीलेंट पीरियड फॉर यू टू स्टार्ट. एंड टुमारो इट्स द 5th of May, which is a very powerful day for manifestation. So if you're seeing this video before the 5th of May, then definitely this is a sign for you to start what you want to start. It's going to be an excellent period for you to start. हो सकता है कि आप इसको 5th के बाद देख रहे हो, और तो भी it's going to be a timeless reading for you. Okay, the Two of Swords showing that you are kind of confused about certain things. You are at a crossroad. आप अपने लाइफ में ऐसे सिचुएशन में हो जहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि इसके बाद आप क्या करो, क्या स्टेप आपको लेनी चाहिए, और कौन से रास्ते में आपको बढ़ना चाहिए. तो अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन है, देन कट थ्रू द कंफ्यूजन. और कंफ्यूजन का आंसर यही है कि आप सोशल मीडिया वगैरह में अपना प्रेजेंस को बढ़ा सकते हो. यू कैन स्टार्ट योर वर्क उस ऑन सोशल मीडिया इफ़ यू वांट टू बी अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर. द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून इज़ कमिंग फॉर यू. थिंग्स विल टर्न आउट इन योर फेवर. ठीक है, बट उसके लिए आपको पहले एक स्टेप लेना होगा. इफ़ इट्स अ बिजनेस यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू, देखिए, वेदर इट्स योर बिजनेस or your love life, or it's a creative project you want to do, anything it is, you've been asked to do, be observant and learn more. um, See what people are liking on social media, and what are the consumer behavior in business. So learn more, understand more, observe more. So you've been asked to observe and learn. Connect with your younger energy. A lot of times what happens, you might stop learning because you think you're old enough and now you should not be learning anymore. So this is a message coming for you, that you should take the time out to learn more. You should take up a course or practice the things that you've learned, or if you have learned a lot of things, then you should practice them. Now, how you can get out of the slump if you're in a slump right now, like अगर आप किसी situation में हो जहाँ पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा stuck feel कर रहे हो, या कंफ्यूज्ड हो किसी चीज़ को लेके, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो जिससे कि आप इससे बाहर आ सकते हो? द 6 ऑफ कप्स, आपको सबसे पहले समझना होगा कि जितना ज़्यादा आप एक पॉजिटिव स्पेस से देना चाहोगे, जितना ज़्यादा आप फ्रॉम अ पॉजिटिव स्पेस यू वुड लाइक टू हेल्प अदर्स, उतना ही ज़्यादा मोर ब्लेसिंग्स यू विल गेट। जितना यू विल गिव ना, उससे ज़्यादा यू विल गेट फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स, बट यू शुड बी फ्रॉम अ स्पेस ऑफ गिविंग। यू आर बीन आस्क्ड टू कनेक्ट विद योर इनर चाइल्ड, योर चाइल्डहुड, योर जो old back in the days, what you used to enjoy. So say if you're 30 and when you were 6 years of age, तब क्या था that you really used to enjoy? Was it dancing? Was it talking to your friends? Was it swimming? Was it art? Or was it just studying something, going out, playing some sport? Whatever it was, you're being asked to connect with yourself, journal for some time, okay, and just see what it is that really makes you happy. All right, that brings that smile on your face, that rises your vibration. आपको क्या खुश करता है? बचपन में आप क्या करते थे जिससे आप बहुत हैप्पी थे, जिससे आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में नहीं रहते थे? दैट यंगर स्पिरिट ऑफ यू, कनेक्ट विद दैट स्पिरिट। जो करके आपको खुशी मिलती है, डू दैट. Maybe a lot of you, like me as a kid, I used to love decorating my space. I really used to enjoy that. I used to like write something, scribble on my walls and like decorate my walls and stuff, and then do a lot of DIY decor in my room. Okay, so as a kid only I used to enjoy that. So yeah, I mean, when I do such things, I feel happy. For you, it can be something else. I love to dance too. So when I dance, I used to feel very happy. Okay, exercising also makes me happy. Going out for a walk makes me happy. Going to nature makes me happy. Planning a trip makes me happy. Planning outfits make me happy. Like different outfits to show different sides of your mood. Okay, so you're being asked to connect with that side. जिससे कि जब जब आप यंगर थे, आपको किस चीज़ से ज़्यादा मज़े आता था? Was it evening walks? Okay, was it a connection that you used to enjoy with your partner? How are you? If you started dating your partner, say in your college days or at a younger age, what you used to do, what used to connect you? Connect with those basic essence of things. So even if you would like, say, for example, आप डेट पे restaurants में जाते थे, right? How we, like I used to go for a lot of dates to different places to eat. So eating was the um, if eating was the thing that you used to enjoy outside and all, then try to recreate that if you're married now. Recreate it in your home. Make some nice food. Buy some nice crockeries. Enjoy the kitchen. Make your kitchen a happy place. Whatever thing is disturbing you, just take your this thing away from that. Take your focus away from that. Focus on things that will make you happy. I'll take one more card. How can you get out of the slump? How can you get out of the slump? 9 of Swords. राइट, रात को सोना आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। हो सकता है कि आप जो हो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेते हो, एट नाइट यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप, सो यू हैव टू वर्क आउट ऑन योर स्लीप पैटर्न. And to do that, what you should do, you can introduce some nice night routines. Okay, like having some nice chamomile tea. And first of all, it is important to feel grateful and to know that wherever you are right now, you are meant to be here right now. You are here for a reason. This is not just happening because like that only. I mean, wherever we are, that is a blessing, and your mind should be focused on thinking things that you want instead of things you don't want. ठीक है, तो just be in that gratitude attitude, and journaling will definitely help you. Change your sheets, make them, I am getting a message that make your sheets fresh, like put fresh sheets. Change your pillowcases, put fresh pillowcases. If your room is little dirty and clothes are hanging around, to put them in their places. Do your laundry properly, put some nice agarbatti or some diffuser. Okay, so the star card is coming. You're born to shine. Shining is not a choice for you. You are born to shine. So stop holding yourself back. Stop pushing yourself back and trying to, just hide yourself. Stop trying to do that. Just know that I see a lot of you are here on earth to complete your soul's mission and your soul's purpose. See, you see, both the cards have come. Okay, so I see the chariot and the star. So with the chariot, you're meant to move in life at a very fast speed, at a very passionate speed. It doesn't have to be quick. You don't have to run. You don't have to chase. Take your time and move, but make sure that you are moving at a good pace towards completing your soul mission. Because हम अर्थ में किसी रीज़न की वजह से आए हैं, राइट? सो व्हेन यू कनेक्टेड विद योर self, when you are connected with your divine self, then you feel happy, you don't feel bored. But अगर आप उससे connected नहीं हो, then you will feel bored and you will feel not happy. So see, the empress is saying that you are meant to grow and thrive like the empress. So accept that feminine power. Now feminine energy is not a gender. It is the energy that is there in men and women both. Okay, so even if you are a man, you watching this, then you are asked to nurture yourself. Okay, activate, because when you have the feminine ready, only then you can receive. So you've been asked to receive, to grow, to eat healthy, to eat food that will nourish your soul, to bring a lot of plants indoor, to fill your space with plants, to fill your diet with a lot of green veggies and healthy meals, and wear clothes that make you feel happy. You can see my outfit. I'm wearing this which is also showing flowers growing. So just make like that, your mind space. I'll take one more card for you and see what is. This is a general reading for anybody who has tuned in, and there is a message for you. So definitely you will get something that you need to hear right now. Meditate and contemplate. Yes. See, these three cards together are, my God, this is so powerful. Four cards are coming together. First is your work through your fears that we saw in the beginning. तो आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप अपने डर पे वर्क करो. जो भी आपका डर है वो नहीं होगा, because you are divinely protected, and show the world the real you. And this is saying that आप शाइन करो, एंड इट इज़ बीन कंफर्म्ड विद द स्टार कार्ड. जिस भी चीज़ से आपको डर लग रहा था कि ये करने से आपको नज़र लग सकता है या कुछ गलत हो सकता है, वट एवर, just let go of all of those thoughts and you're meant to shine. Okay, this is a confirmation, and maybe that's why you are stressed also. So you are asked to meditate and contemplate. Meditate and contemplate. तो आपको क्या करना है ना, दिन में ध्यान करना है कुछ टाइम. उस ध्यान से आपको बहुत फ़ायदे होंगे, बिकॉज जब आप ऐसे ध्यान पे बैठोगे आपको पूरा क्लियरली पता चलता रहेगा कि आपके लिए वो क्या चीज़ है जो आप चाहते हो. व्हाट इज़ इट दैट इज़ अलाइंड विद योर सोल. बिकॉज एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज आ रहा है दैट यू आर सपोज टू बी फॉलोइंग योर सोल्स जर्नी. Everybody on earth has been put on earth to follow a certain journey in their life. Life is not about just a relationship. Life is not just about a business or some job that you're doing. Life has to do much more than that. These things are part of life. Life itself means you are here for a mission. Some work has been allotted to you. Maybe it is to help others to grow. Maybe it is to help others feel loved. Maybe it is to bring balance in society by being your real self, by being your authentic self. So, if you do justice to why you have been put on earth, you will start thriving and you will blossom and you will grow like the empress. Okay, you will be in an empress energy. But if you don't do that because of fears of doubts, fears of insecurities, not being enough, not being liked, not loved, not good enough. Yeah, basically it all comes from there. And validation, how many people like you, what that person you like thinks about you. If you're just motivated by these things, then you will be deviated from the route that you're supposed to follow. So it will become very difficult for you to just be who you are meant to be. So instead of following all of that, you've been asked that don't be worried about who has to say what about you, and just know that it's your life. And if you're here on earth, then you need to know what you're meant to follow. So for that, you'll have to meditate. The more you will be meditating, the more you will be meditating, and more you will connect with your purpose, that will make you very attractive. So this is also going to be a beautiful energy for you to become your goddess self. Okay, so to connect with your goddess energy, to connect with your divine energy, if you're a masculine, then you have to follow your life's purpose. The more motivated you're going to be with what you have to do, more you will be able to bring this divine partnership in your life. So if there is a relationship that is really bothering you, and you want their attention, or you want them to really care for you, then you have been asked to follow your life's purpose. When you follow your life's purpose, then you become magnetic, and your aura changes, it expands. Okay, so these are the messages for you. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to this channel, and I am very very grateful for your time. I hope I have been able to give you some guidance, and it was of some use for you. And please note them down, and please follow them. Listen to the video again if you want to listen to all the things that I've said. And if you want to book a private reading, then I do take private readings also, but that is at those are paid by private readings. And lots of love to you. Take some good amount of rest, don't lie to yourself, and meditate. Okay, bye.